All right, guys, come on in, man. You probably know this, but there's an easy solution for any sort of repairs, in the shop or around the home. JB Weld syringes. They take all that guesswork out by precisely mixing a 1-to-1 ratio all the way down the length of this tube. And what you get? Great repairs on the fly for your shop or home, and they got you covered on any sort of repair you'd ever need. JB Weld's extensive syringe lineup offers permanent bonding, sealing, and gap filling on nearly any surface out there. Now, for automotive repairs, choose from Auto Weld, High Heat, and JB Weld Original. Now, Auto Weld is ideal for general vehicle repairs. High Heat is perfect for high temperature areas. Think like fuse panels, air boxes, and lights. And the Original is best when maximum strength is required. Now, for this repair, I'm going to use their Auto Weld, which is great for bonding or repairing, plastics, things like plastic trim, or in this case, a hubcap that's magically appealing to a lot of curbs, it looks like. Things busted up in several places. And I'm going to forego the old tray and just use their mixing nozzle. That way I get a precise 1-to-1 mixture and minimal mess. So follow along. Now we'll apply an even layer to this broken and busted hubcap. Then use tape to secure the pieces together until it's cured. Once cured, we'll throw a little paint on it, dial it in. This hubcap will be good as new and ready to bounce off any curb your wife wants to throw it at. And there you have it. Explore how easy syringe epoxies can make your repair at jbweld.com.
This fix is brought to you by JB Weld, the world's strongest bond.